Good morning, student. How are you? I have explained the laboratory preparation of ammonia. In that, I have explained ammonia can be prepared by the action of ammonium chloride, means with slag line, calcium hydroxide. When it's react, it's form calcium chloride, ammonia gas, and water 2H2O. That one was the lab preparation of the ammonia. But how would you prepare ammonia from metal nitrides? I have written metal nitrides. Very important. Only reaction is asking from that part. So how can you prepare metal ammonia from metal nitrides? First you see the diagram. See that here I have taken metal nitrides like aluminium nitride, magnesium nitride, calcium nitride. Three metals I have taken: calcium nitride, magnesium nitride, aluminium nitride. How can you prepare the ammonia from metal nitrides? I have written here. See that this is a round bottom flask. In that round bottom flask we will take metal nitrides. Now from crystal funnel we have to add warm water, hot water, warm water. See that in when reaction is started, it's form ammonia. Now you know what is use of quick line, calcium oxide. It's act as a dry agent. Why other dry agent like concentrate sulfuric acid, phosphorus pentaoxide, and calcium chloride? Why it's not used? Because it's react with the ammonia. The collection of ammonia gas, already you know that collection of ammonia gas. In collection already I have explained by downward displacement of the air. The collection of ammonia gas is done by downward displacement of air. Why? Because it is lighter than air. Why it is not collected over water? Because it is highly soluble in water, means one volume of water can dissolve, 702 volume of ammonia. You know, it is highly soluble in water. It is much soluble than hydrogen chloride gas. So see that when metal nitrides, if we take metal nitrides in the round bottom flask, only we add from crystal funnel warm water, the reaction is started and is form ammonia gas. Ammonia gas we have to pass in other chamber where we can use dry agent. This dry agent absorbs the moisture and we collect ammonia gas by downward displacement of air. Now you see the reaction. What reaction it actually take place? See that when metal nitrides like magnesium nitride and calcium nitride react with warm water, see that magnesium nitride react with warm water, 6H2O, warm water, it's form 3MgOH whole twice, magnesium hydroxide, precipitate. You know the precipitate of magnesium hydroxide, the white color precipitate, and it's form ammonia gas, 2NH3. Now calcium nitride when reacts with warm water, it's form calcium hydroxide and ammonia gas. This is symbol of the gas. Now similarly aluminium nitride, ALM, with 3s2 aluminium hydroxide and what? Ammonia gas plus NH3 ammonia gas. This is the preparation of ammonia by metallic nitrides. Metal nitrides. How can you identify the gas is coming out is the ammonia gas? Many questions. Suppose you have taken calcium nitride, aluminum nitride, magnesium nitride, and you are using warm water, some gas are coming out, and order of this gas already you know that, okay? But how can I identify this gas is the ammonia gas? Bring hydrochloric concentrate hydrochloric acid, dip with glass rod on the mouth of the gas jar. Means take a glass rod, dip in the concentrate hydrochloric or dilute hydrochloric acid, bring near the jar of ammonia gas. You can find that dense white fume of ammonium chloride. Means you can find dense white fume of ammonium chloride. Dense white fume, I say that. This is a test of the ammonia gas. Easily you can identify this gas. How can you prepare ammonia in the lab? From metal nitrides, so you can prepare like that. How can you identify? And litmus paper, you know that ammonia is the basic in nature. Means ammonia solution, when ammonia dissolve in water is form ammonium hydroxide, which after ionization give NH4 plus ion and OH minus ion. I had already explained. Means after ionization it give this one. Due to presence of these ions, ammonium hydroxide is a weak electrolyte. Means ammonia gas is the basic in nature. Why? Because it is a polar covalent compound. You already know that. Polar covalent compound. Now we are going to explain the preparation of ammonia gas in the large scale. I had explained the lab preparation of ammonia, and in that I had also explained why ammonia is not prepared from the ammonium nitrate, because ammonium nitrate is explosive and is from nitrous oxide, and nitrous oxide already you know that this is a laughing gas. And lab preparation of ammonia, then another laboratory preparation of ammonia from the metal nitrides. Now industrial preparation of ammonia I am going to explain. Okay, see that I am going industrial preparation of ammonia gas by Haber's process. Means what is the purpose of the Haber process? One question always coming in the board. What is the purpose of Haber process? To prepare ammonia in large scale. What is the purpose of Haber's process to prepare ammonia in large scale? Means Haber process used for preparation of ammonia in large scale. Very easy process is that. See that here source of hydrogen and nitrogen. Question. Each point having some question. Suppose this is A, this one B, this one C, this one D. Different chambers are there. What is sources of hydrogen and nitrogen? See that hydrogen we can prepare by Bose process. In 9th class already you have studied from water gas. Means hydrogen can be prepared from the Bose process. Nitrogen, you know 78% nitrogen in free state. The nitrogen can be prepared by destructive distillation of liquid air. Nitrogen we can get from the destructive distillation of liquid air. These are the two sources of hydrogen and nitrogen. See that chamber A, that is known as compressor pump. This pump allows to pass the nitrogen and hydrogen in one chamber, that is electrically catalytic chamber, electrically heating catalytic chamber. What reaction will take? See that one by one all the reaction I am going to explain. See that nitrogen from fractional distillation of liquid air, hydrogen from the Bose process from water gas, reversible reaction. It's from 2NH3 ammonia gas. Temperature should be 450 to 500 degrees Celsius. Pressure, atmospheric pressure should be 200 to 900 atm. What catalyst? Iron as a catalyst, molybdenum as a promoter. Vitalius. What is catalyst? Any external substance which change the rate of the reaction but never take part in the chemical reaction, that external substance are called catalyst. What is a promoter? Promoter is also external substance which increase or decrease. Here promoter means increase the efficiency of catalyst. Temperature already I have written 450 to 500 degrees Celsius. Pressure 200 to 900 atmospheric pressure. See that this formation starts at 250 atm. Optimum pressure for that. This reaction is highly exothermic, means 22.4 kilocalorie heat energy released in that reaction. See that when the hydrogen nitrogen reach to the catalytic heating chamber in presence of here catalyst, iron and molybdenum, and it's combined and form ammonia gas. In condenser means cooling chamber, it's liquefied and form liquid ammonia, which we collect here. Liquid ammonia. This is a casting box. You remember that in acid, base and salt chapter, complex salt. In that I have explained about National reagent. Potassium mercuric iodide known as National reagent. It is used for the testing of ammonia. So you test this gas is ammonia or not. Then uncombined. What is say? Uncombined nitrogen and hydrogen. Again, see that you pass through in again to the catalytic chamber, heating catalytic chamber from compressor pump. You pass through and the reaction continuously be going on, and finally you collect here liquid ammonia, means ammonia gas you can find here in the liquefied form. This is by Haber process. This reaction is very important reaction because it's only one reaction can have many questions. See that this reaction is reversible, highly exothermic, catalyst iron and molybdenum, temperature 450 to 500 degrees Celsius, pressure 200 to 9 atm, atmospheric pressure. Means on the basis of that they can ask in bold many questions. Draw the flow chart of the preparation of ammonia in a large scale or by Haber process. Explain the reaction taking place in the different chamber A, B, C and D. Remember that reaction only taking place in the chamber B, means heating catalytic chamber. Only that reaction taking place. Because here temperature is already 400 to 500 degrees Celsius, pressure 200 to 900 atmospheric pressure, iron as a catalyst and molybdenum as a promoter I have used in that. means in that chamber the reaction is so important. So you focus on the reaction, and from one reaction having 5 questions: catalyst, promoter, temperature, pressure, reaction, okay, different thing. And afterward, the question related to this Haber process, I will explain my next video. Thank you. Have a nice day.